What go on unstoppable family? So people may have couple topics we may have to cover today, and we're going to cover all of them in this video here. First topic, a parent gives a Jamaican teacher a royal ass whooping. That same parent gets arrested, and then one man caused an entire airline to get turned back. Then onto a more sad topic, a gas station pump attendant gets gunned down in Jamaica. All of that and maybe more we'll cover as soon as I come back.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. You unstoppable, so now we are trained.
Welcome back, viewers. If this is the very first time to this channel and you have not yet hit that subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button and the notification bell. So once we upload a video, you will get that alert. So people, this brother here in the middle of a flight bound for Jamaica from Canada decides that he might go jump up in the middle of the plane and say, I recently took a trip to China where I contracted the coronavirus. And I am a reservoir, I am a plastic scandal bag, I am a suitcase of the coronavirus. I have it in my body right now. So people, after the brother get up and said that on the plane, the pilot was left to make a decision. Do I go to Jamaica or do I turn back and go back to Canada? And the pilot had to make the decision to make a U-turn and go back to Canada. People, this was already halfway on the journey, and the pilot had to turn the plane around and go back to Canada. Car me and you know, Jamaica never did go make that land. Alright? But anyway, the plane reached back to Canada, investigations were done, and it was determined that this brother here don't have no coronavirus, and it all turned out to be just a prank. Now the police, them arrest him, them charge him for causing mischief. Right? And me agree with the police, them should lock all, them should slap all one bigger charge on him than that. Because people, first of all, me not find that funny. Me don't know about you, but me not find that funny. When it comes to something as serious as this is a life and death serious situation. This is not something for you playing a prank with. Alright? Me see people that say maybe him they just want to see if the plane would have actually turned around. No, brother, no run them kind of joke there. No, me not like that. Start me down below, people. What uno think? Uno find that funny? No. Uno people need to know when to take a prank to a next level or when to just sit back and relax and take things serious. Uno agree with me? Talk to me down below. See? Now people listen to this madness now. At a primary school in Jamaica, Dumfries Primary School to be exact, a parent decides that he might go bounce upon a teacher and attack her because his child's homework was not marked. Now me kind of feel to believe that. Me personally kind of feel to believe that. Something else happy there behind that. But as far as we get, it is alleged that that is the reason why this parent, the father, decides that he might go bounce upon the teacher and attack her. So the teacher was admitted to the hospital over the weekend with all kind of cuts and bruises to her face and things like that, and she was recently released, right? But my thing is this, people. It says that this parent went to the school to see the principal. The security officer directed him to the principal's office. On the way to the principal's office, him come across the teacher, and then all of a sudden, him just attack, right? Me not get it. Don't understand. Alright, now the police said that the man is in custody, the father, and them did a wait for the teacher to come press charges or come give more information to what actually got on. Me no know, you find that weird? Me find it weird. Something else happy there behind that. Right? Talk to me down below. You tell me what you think. Zine? Now on to the sadder topic, people. Like I said before, there's a video going around on social media that I saw of a young man laying in a pool of blood, his own blood as a matter of fact, and couple bills scattered around him. And it is alleged that two men pounced upon him and opened fire. A gas station pump attendant, very young youth. People, me no know. Jamaica will really a go on. When will this stop? Too much of this a go on. When a woman, a pitney, young youth, it's like the youths of Jamaica not have no future to look forward to. Now, I can't speak on the youth's activities because I don't know him, so I don't know if him involved or not involved in anything, right? Or whether there was an actual valid reason for these men to go for him. But my point is, too much. Too much. When will it stop? Is my question. Watch on, man, people. Talk to me down below. I want to hear your thoughts, your views on this situation. Now, I know Bounty Killer recently started to speak out against violence, and I'm inclined to agree with Bounty Killer. We want a more peaceful Jamaica, and we are asking more entertainers to step up. And I know someone who say, yo, entertainers can't do nothing because I just start them attack. But I want to see someone say music influence violence. Yeah. So we can't have two-side mouth. If the entertainers will say I sing violence songs, right, and I influence violence or incite violence, what is it now that if the entertainers decide to speak out, see them wanna go jump up and say, talking can't do nothing? Sound hypocritical to me. Watch on the man, people. Talk to me down below. Let me hear what point of views on this. Until the next video, it's Unstoppable TV. If you have not yet hit that subscribe button, please consider subscribing to this channel. So once we drop more videos, you will get alerted. I'm out.